know we all wear perspective glasses? And the perspective glasses you're wearing changes the way the whole world around you looks. It's really interesting. If you learn how to realize what glasses you have on and how to put on the other glasses, you can see the whole world differently. Today, I'll show you how. Okay, so I'll explain it like this. I have one pair of glasses and another pair of glasses. Pair number 1 of glasses is black. Dark black, with a little blackish tint in where your eyes look through. The other pair is bright yellow glasses, and they have no tint. Totally clear look. Okay, so these black glasses are basically anger glasses, and the yellow glasses are basically happy glasses. So, if you're wearing black glasses, you're gonna be all angry, and everything you see is gonna have that blackish tint. But if you're wearing the happy bright yellow glasses, everything you see is going to have a little yellowish tint. So basically the first step is to say what glasses you have on. So you say, oh, I noticed I have my bright yellow glasses on, or oh, I noticed I have my black glasses on. And that brings mindfulness, and you can realize and be like, oh, I really wanted to be more happy and bright today, but I noticed that I'm wearing those black glasses. Maybe there's a way I can change them around. Oh, right. When you realize you're wearing a pair of glasses, that's the first step. But the second step is to change the pair of glasses you're wearing. And you can learn how to do this with the power of your imagination. Okay, so let's imagine I want to wear my yellow glasses today. Oh, I think my yellow glasses would fit this day because we're gonna do blah blah during it. But then you realize, okay, I just realized I'm wearing my black glasses. So how do I change this? Let's imagine you have 2 tables. One for the black glasses and one for the yellow. You put on your black glasses and you realize you wanted to wear the yellow ones, but you're actually wearing the black ones. So you can be like, okay, let's try and take these black glasses off. And you can actually literally do this. Even if other people are like, oh, what are you doing? You can just secretly know to yourself, I'm taking off my black glasses. So you can actually literally imagine you're taking off some glasses. And you can set them aside on their table, and you can basically, getting out of one step of anger is taking one step toward the table that's holding your yellow glasses. So you walk over and you can just walk over to another spot on the floor or another chair or whatever and pick up. As I said, doesn't matter if other people don't know what you're doing. You can secretly have some fun and laugh at it and be like, and pick up those yellow glasses and put them on. Just doing that deliberate imagination can change your whole perspective. And it especially teaches us that our minds don't get to go where they want to go, especially when they're going down a dark path. This is basic mindfulness. It teaches us to be aware of our mind state and to change it. And you can do it! And tell me if you try out actually physically pretending to pick up some glasses and try them on. And if this works for you, share with me in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you.